Hello students, today we are going to learn work of saints. Work of the saints. The saints taught people things like kindness, helping others, non-violence, sacrifice, generosity, equality and brotherhood. Chakradhar Swami. He was originally from Gujarat. A prince wandered all over Maharashtra. He taught equality, man and women, people of all caste. He did not believe in grouping people by gender, men or women or caste. He established a group set called Maha Anubhav. A book about him, Leela Charitra, is said to have all the secrets of the universe. Namdev. Namdev was a great devotee of Vitthal. He lived in Narsi, Hingoli. He narrated stories about God with songs in it, kirtans. He travelled all over Maharashtra with Sant Jnaneshwar and taught people to love God. He spread the message of equality. Later, went to Punjab, sang songs about God in Hindi. He came, we can find his songs in the Guru Granth Sahib, book of the Sikhs. Jnaneshwar, 5 years younger than Namdev, two brothers, Nivrittinath and Sopandev, and a sister Muktabai. People hated his father as he took sannyas and later returned, married, and had children. He spread the message of equality, generosity, and helping others. He wrote Jnaneshwari in Marathi book, which tells people how to think and behave. Jnaneshwar wrote Jnaneshwari in Marathi so that the people could understand it well. He put himself in a trance in Alandi and died when he was 21 years old. Eknath. Eknath lived in Paitan. He believed in the teachings of Jnaneshwar and Namdev. He asked people to pray to God. He wrote a lot of religious songs, Abhang, Ovis and Barud, which tells people how to think and behave. Jnaneshwar wrote Jnaneshwari in Marathi so that the people could understand it well. He put himself in a trance in Alandi and died when he was 21 years old. Eknath. Eknath lived in Paitan. He believed in the teachings of Jnaneshwar and Namdev. He asked people to pray to God. He wrote a lot of religious songs, Abhang, Ovis and Baruj. He spread the message of equality and love. We can find his songs in the Guru Granth Sahib, book of the Sikh. Tukaram. Tukaram lived in Dehu, owned a farm and a grocery shop. His father was a moneylender. Tukaram freed people from his father's loan. He threw records of the loans in the river Indrayani. He was a great devotee of Vitthal. He went to Pandharpur. He would go to Pandharpur on the 11th day, Ekadashi of Ashad and Kartik, and he spread the message of equality and love. He taught people to be kind, to forgive, to help the weak, and to live peacefully. His songs of Tukarams are written together in a book called Tukaram Gatha. Ramdas. He was 22 years older than Shivaji when Shivaji was 19 years old. He was born at Jam in Marathwada on the same day as Rama, that is Ram Navami day. His real name was Narayan, but he called himself as Ramdas, servant of Ram. He kept saying, Jai Jai Raghuveer Samartha. He wrote Dasbodh, a book about how to lead a good life. He wrote Manache Slok to teach people how to think and behave well. He taught people to come together, fight against injustice, and build temples of Hanuman, the god of strength, so people would understand the value of exercise. Ramdas was 22 years older than Shivaji. He died 1 year later. This help was done by the saints to Shivaji.